Let's look at some precious metals, shall we? Now, this is a I told you so moment. So I told you to buy 4,500 and I told you to take profit after you bought 4,500. But do you remember in the last video where I told you I still like 4,500 on a long term, right? Buy, but to have skunk orders at what price? At what price did I say? Was it 4,400? Yes, it was. So we had people buy at 4,400, and then I think you can TP up around 4,800. This thing's, again, if the war runs or ends, this is going to run. We're back at around 4,500, which is still a buy, but those guys that listened and bought 4,400 like I did are absolute savages. So we do have to clear this all-time high, and then once we do that, we're going to start challenging market structure. If we clear above on a two-day close filter over the all-time high, we will probably see 5,000 relatively quickly. Gold's a buy, folks. If you can get it anywhere near 4,500, do so. Silver, another I told you so moment. What price did I tell you was important? All-time high in what? 71? Is that 71 right there? Did that dip right at 71? Is that golden line the resistance zone that or support zone that I talked about? Well, yes, it is. It fell down to there. So if it gets in, and remember I said give or take $1 because of the high beta in silver. And guys, if it's the first time you're watching the video, welcome. I'm glad you're taking the time to do this. But I can't lie about this stuff. You can go back and look at my other YouTube videos where I'm referencing these prices. Okay. So I was either right or I was wrong. And I'm telling you right now, we hit it often. So right now, 71 is an attractive number. I don't think it's by accident that it closed at 75. I talk about 75 all the time because that's a key psychological price in silver. Overhead resistance is that all-time high in VWAP at 79 and some change, and then price structure at 88 before we see 98 to 101, 99 to 101. Go check out Mira Valinsky at Driving Markets. He puts out some great reels. He just did a great reel on silver and why silver is sitting at this price when it's being projected to be at 350. Go watch the video. I've done a similar video in the past and he explains it well. Go check it out. Mir Valensky at Driving Markets, Instagram. Right? All right. Platinum, right in my buy zone. Platinum's a buy, guys. Remember I said 1900, give or take $25, and then run up to the all-time high anchored VWAP. Well, that's not much money. It's $200. $200 on leverage is a lot of money. So, and then if we get explosive movement, we could break through there. But I like the buy in platinum where it sits. Palladium has slowed down a little bit, but it has not hit my buy zone. Remember, I said like 1,300, guys. If you see 1,300, let's do it. I'm going to set an alert at 13, 20, or 15 because I want to front run it. In other words, by the time the alert happens, I want to be able to go and look at it. I like Palladium down here around 1,300 because we also have market structure support here and a bounce to the all-time high and run that for almost 300 points. Copper. Remember I said last week, buy it on that retracement. And what did it do? It retraced and then bounced back up. So it's time to wave bye-bye to it because it's probably going to keep heading up here. At this point, I wouldn't chase it. I think another retracement of maybe 615 if you're lucky. 625, 620 to 625 if you need to chase it a little bit, demand a little bit of a discount. But you patient copper buyers who have listened to my multiple buys on this are being paid now.